Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3 layers video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your CapCut application on your mobile phone and then you're going to create a new project. You can click on new project here and you can go to the CapCut library and you can search black background or white background. It depends on the background that you want to use, and I'm just going to use the black background, and I'm going to change the type to photo, and we can choose this background. I'm going to add this background to my project. Okay, and then I'm going to change the ratio. I'm going to choose 9:16 ratio because I want to upload this video to Instagram or short, so I need this ratio. Alright, and then we're going to add the first overlay. You can click on overlay right here, select add overlay, and you're going to import your video. Wait, I'm going to go to my download album. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my video. Alright, for the first video, I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Click on add. This is for the first layer. I'm going to place it here, and then you can arrange the layer or the video. And we're going to add the second video. I'm going to choose this video, this one. Okay, and arrange your video like this. And then the last one, I'm going to add wait, for the last video I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then you can keep arranging until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and yeah, it will look like this. Okay, you can also add text or filter, or it's up to you. Or you can add music to make it more captivating. Okay, and it will be like this guys. And okay guys, that's all the way to create 3-layer video editing using CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.